Video 923, BFJ 213. Let's fucking go. Source code is here. Okay, in Bomb Simp, the bomb simulation code, we have this new section. Actually, it's not new. It's from the previous video. Emit from center helpers. In this section, we have some monkey wrench macros that describe misspellings of this new function. Function Bomb Simp, emit from center, data pixel index, red, green, blue, and alpha byte values. So all of these parameters appear here in the exact same order, prefixed with an I for input. Scrolling down here, we have an explanation, and then we have the data pixel component, right? Data pixel index times 4 is the data pixel component. We're going to alias dpix2048 as EFC FATA memory, just to make this reference kind of unique. And then we're just going to set the red, green, blue, and alpha bytes into memory here. All this is just a little helper function. It's a little helper function that we're going to be calling all over the fucking place when we're trying to set FATA tiles for our explosions. Scrolling down here, function bomb simp, emit from center, always in bounds, room index, XY tile coordinate, data pixel index of the FATA tile, and the V16 of the bomb that is emitting the explosion. So this function here, this helper function, is making a contract that says that the explosion is always 100% bounded by whatever level we're in. So see this explosion right over here, or this little hackish diagram of an explosion? This one is in bounds, but this one right here over here is violating the contract, because if we scroll out here, we see that the explosion to the left is spanning 2 different levels within the hotel. Okay? So these parameter names right here appear in exactly the same order here, prefixed with an I. We have an explanation about what this function is for, and we'll do this code in a different video. Then in EFC emit from center functions, if we scroll down here, how far do we have to scroll down? Fucking hell, where the fuck is it? There you are. Bomb simp EFC, this function right here. This function right here, we were gonna write the rest of it in this video, but we ran out of time. So we'll do this in another fucking video. We ran out of fucking time. We'll work on that in another video. We're out of fucking time. I don't want to record this again.